I want the Welsh Government to honour the pledges they made pre-election and step in.
We're here supporting the health visitors on the steps of the Senate today. They're in the 21st week of strike action. They don't want to be here on strike, but they have to be. They deserve pay parity, and we demand that today.
We have been fighting this issue for around 5 years now. In 2021, we asked for a review of our job description. We had to take industrial action short of a strike, just to get the health board around the table. We did a job description in partnership, and it was evaluated and appealed and came out as a band 7. The health board did this in partnership with us and signed the appeal. But despite this, they refused to acknowledge that band 7 job description, and it is costing our members around £9,000 a year in pay.
Cwm Taf Health Board are refusing to give us that band 7 and want to keep us at band 6. We've tried everything. We offered to do action short of a strike, but that was turned down by the health board. So we've been led to no other option apart from to come out on strike.
Health visiting is such an important role for children and young people. Early intervention has the best outcomes for children across Wales.
If we were rebanded, it would show that we're valued within the health board. Our roles have purpose and mean something. Because at the moment, trying to keep us at the band 6 shows us we've got no worth and no value. When if you ask the families within the community, they would have a very different story on it. They're all supporting us, they're all behind it. So Cwm Taf have just got to respect the role and pay the rate now.
We want the Welsh Government to step in, as they promised in their pre-election statements in plenary, that they would resolve this issue when they came into power.
I want the Welsh Government to honour the pledges they made pre-election and step in. The Healthy Child Wales programme is a Welsh Government initiative which the Health Board get paid for. It's not being delivered at the moment, so the Welsh Government have no option but to step in and respect our role, get the Cwm Taf to pay the rate.